Good morning, everybody. It is 6:40 and I'm making some coffee. I think the coffee that I have right now is the Trader Joe's breakfast blend, I believe. But another one that I just got that I get all the time is the Equal Exchange coffee. And I usually get the breakfast blend kind because it's a lighter roast, and the lighter the coffee, the more caffeine there is. So I feel like most people think if it's a dark roast, it has more caffeine, but it's the opposite. So we need all the caffeine we can get over at this house. For breakfast, I'm going to have a Kind bar. So this came in the nick of time because we just had the girl's birthday party, and because of that, I haven't gone grocery shopping for normal groceries. We just have party stuff. So we're lacking in the breakfast department. So I'm gonna have, I saw there's one of these down here. One of their breakfast bars, which is actually one of my favorite things to eat because they're super filling. You get two in here, and this is the peanut butter kind, and I love peanut butter anything. You guys know that I eat Kind bars all the time. I like to order these a lot because Andrew likes them too. So I just get a couple boxes of these usually, or this kind. The other kind I like is the purple one. It is sea salt, maple and sea salt, I believe, but these are just great to have for breakfast. So this video is sponsored by Kind, and I wanted to share with you a new thing they have going called their snack club. So they're actually offering this sample box with all of these for free. So I'll have a link down below in the info section. You just have to pay for shipping. But after that, you get bars sent to your house, and you get 24 every month. And if you guys haven't tried Kind bars, I always recommend them to everybody. They're an amazing snack because you can read all the ingredients, which is a good thing. They're gluten-free, and they've always been my go-to snack. So I highly recommend them. And if you guys already buy Kind snacks all the time, then you might as well check this out because there's a bunch of discounts and cool things that you get from joining their snack club. Just down some water. And here's some coffee. This cup I got at Target, and I'm pretty sure you can still find it there. I love it. I think it's so cute. You want to say good morning, June? Say good morning. Wait, you can't grab this. I know you're gonna want to. Let's go see what your sister's doing. They got this sweet wagon for their birthday. Violet really likes it. I mean, yeah, Violet likes it, but June's afraid of it. You gonna follow me? Hey! Violet, can you say hi? Good. Say sis. Good. Okay, it is 11 o'clock and I'm going to eat this. I have never tried this before, but I just saw it at Trader Joe's for the first time. Veggies and Greens Salad Kit. They just came out with a couple different types of these salad kits, and I really like them because I don't have much time to prepare food during the day. I always try to make a decent dinner, but during the day it's kind of just like quick stuff so that I can, you know, get as much done as I possibly can. So because of that, that's why I really like things like this. They have this other one that I really like. It's, I don't think it's barbecue salad. It's like a chopped salad or something, but I'm gonna pour all of this into a salad bowl and I'll see kind of what it comes with and what it looks like. So there are dried pear crumbles, pistachios, it's the honey ginger dressing that I just put on top, and then the actual like lettuce, it's cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and radicchio. What's going on over here? Girls are still in their jammies. They just got up from their nap. And I'm hoping they can be content for a little bit so I can eat. They always follow each other around. It's so cute. I had about half of that. I'm gonna stick it in the fridge and I can eat some of that later. It was good, but I do like the other one better. The other one has, I don't know, it has like crunchy tortillas, cheese. It's more of like a Mexican style salad, but it wasn't, this one was totally craving sweet, so I'm gonna have this one, the caramel almond and sea salt. So it's been one of those afternoons that requires this. Actually, I've already had two, and I'm gonna have this one too because I have two teething babies, and this will help a little bit with that. I never have candy in our house, But for the girls' birthday party, I did a s'mores bar and I had these. So I'm going to go enjoy this. All right, so Andrew and I decided to get Rubio's.
Here we go.
It's Taco Tuesday, but it was actually a bad idea because it was incredibly packed. It was insane. So we got fish taco especials and regular fish tacos.
Oh.
And this is dinner.
All I know is I want some of their bananas.
Look at them over here looking. We just put the girls down to sleep and it has been a crazy day. Hence, not much eating going on today because they have been teething so bad and they refuse to take their second nap and they're chewing on their fingers and like I went in there and June's just gnawing on the crib. It was so sad. So needless to say, it was a lot of screaming and then, you know, an hour goes by and they're like dying laughing. It's just crazy. So I ended up going to Sprouts on my way to Rubio's and got a thing of ice cream. I got some Talenti southern butter pecan, so I might have a little bit of this. And I also went there because I wanted to get some teething things. I got this Camellia homeopathic. It's supposed to help, and a lot of you guys said to try it out on my Instagram. But going to Rubio's at 5:30 on Taco Tuesday was a really bad idea. I waited forever for tacos. So anyway, it's been a long, long day. And Andrew and I are gonna watch a new episode of Fixer Upper, which I'm super excited about. And I'm gonna have some red wine. I just tried my favorite red wine. I love Zinfandel. This is my favorite Zinfandel, actually just my favorite red in general. It's so good. And you can find this at Trader Joe's and Sprouts. I'm sure Albertsons has it, but for some reason I can never find it there. This is bad though. I just tried some. We've had this for a while. So I'm gonna try this. This is leftover from the girl's birthday this weekend. So we will see how this is, just some cab. I just tried it and it's pretty good. So sorry this video was kind of uneventful as far as cooking goes. But that's just how it goes some days. I hope you guys all enjoyed though. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on videos. I'm gonna go drink this, watch some Fixer Upper, and I will talk to you guys soon. Oh yeah, and I have to clean up this disastrous house. My goodness. Okay.